In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply copy and paste a message on WhatsApp. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, let's say I want to copy this particular message right over here, this one. What you want to do in order to copy this message is that you want to long click on the message and it should highlight like this. Once it has highlighted, what you want to do now is that you want to click on these three dots right over here and then click on the copy option. And then from here, you can you can paste this message anyway. So if example, if I want to repaste it right over here, it's just going to show right over here and I can paste it. And if I want to locate it again, you can just long click or long press on your screen and it should give you this option to paste. Then simply click the paste option. And as you can see, it will keep on pasting because it has been copied, and I can send it. And as you can see, so that's how you can simply copy and paste a message on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.